4. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy RonTrades, and we're back here with another trading breakdown video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over my AU and my EU setup, both during New York session. The date is December 5th. This is my first, basically my first real setup of December. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. So guys, you guys can see by the title, I did go 1 for 1 today. I did lose one setup and I won one setup. So let's go ahead and go over my losing setups. Go ahead and be transparent and show that real quick. Go to my account here. You guys can see right here, AU. I took not even a half percent loss. I lost $500 here, then I lost about another $153 here. So I lost about $800 on this setup here. Which I say that's not even 1% of my 200K account. So with that being said, what I was looking for, guys, I basically the same thing. I seen a market structure shift here. My bias was wrong. I had the right concepts in play, but my bias was not correct. So that happens. You know, I'm not trying to get up here and act like I'm, I can read the charts every single day and I can, no, I'm not trying to do that, guys. I take losses. I lose a lot, But like I say, one thing I'm learning in my career, keep those losses small and you will survive in this industry. It's really, really simple, right? So what I seen here, guys, I seen a market structure shift right here. You see this light bulb here. We had a shift here. I was thinking in my brain, hey, if we're bearish, why are we taking this out here? But looking back at this would have been the real market structure shift right here. Let me mark it out. This would have been the real market structure shift once price come up and take this out here, because we had an imbalance. They got rebalanced and we never came back up and took this out. So this right here is kind of like just like some lower time frames market structure reversal, which I got caught up in. So this right here would have been the real market structure shift. So what I'm going to do with that, I'm going to note this and journal this and screenshot this page and put it in my Notion so I can learn from this and try not to make this mistake again, because I'm not perfect and I'm pretty sure I will make this mistake again, but I will try to minimize it, right? So that's my mindset, guys, when I lose. So like I say, I took a buy entry here out this bullish order block, aka supposedly a bullish order block. So once again, we had liquidity grab here at 6 a.m. So we came down, took out sell side here, we reverted back up, market structure shift here. I took a long entry here. I got stopped out once price came down here. I said, hey, why are we coming all the way down here if we are bullish like I say I am? So I went ahead and closed out early. So I'm glad I did close out my setup early, because obviously you can see we took a dump here. So like I say, I didn't even lose a full 1%, and I was risking about I was risking a full 1% on this setup here, but I didn't even let it get down to a 0.5% loss, which is very, very good. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into our winning setup here on EU. All right, so right here, guys, on Euro USD, this was a 1.5% book banger here, 50 pip banger. Let's go ahead and go to our 15-minute time frame here, which is gonna be already on. Okay, so let's go to the 5-minute time frame for market structure shift. All right, guys, so right here we basically had a market structure shift here in the 5-minute time frame. I went ahead and changed my bias to bearish on the EU, and I was bullish on that DXY, because the DXY, you guys can see here, the DXY failed to take out this low here. So it has kind of like some SMT divergence here. So we failed to take out this low. So that went ahead and changed my narrative. Hey, this DXY is probably gonna get strong for a for a good period of time. So that's why I went ahead and went short on EU. So let's go ahead and go back to EU here. Go to the 5-minute time frame. So what do we see? What do we have here? This light bulb here. We had a imbalance here. Price came down, rebalanced this imbalance right here. Why are we taking this out if we are AKA bullish, right? So we shouldn't be taking this out if we were AKA bullish. What did price do? Price came down here, took out this right here. The moment we took it out, I was go ahead and looking for the 4-minute time frame for my entry. I got a 4-minute fair value gap here. So once again, guys, move this right here. We had a market structure shift here, taking out this immediate term with a short-term low here. We came down, took it out, bang. After we took it out, we pulled back where? Inside of a fair value gap. I'm taking my entry here. Stop loss goes above here. There's no reason for us to continue to keep coming back up here if we are AKA, bearish like we say we are, which we, were correct. And we also had high impact news at 10 a.m. So this was another factor for my trade setup too. So it's really, really, really made this a good setup. I didn't put a lot of risk on this, guys. Like I say, I'm not upping my risk this month. It is December. The market is moving crazy. We will start to slow down soon. So I'm keeping my risk, respectable. I'm, probably risking about 0.5%, 25%, things like that. Won't be risking so much this month. So yeah, guys, like I say, very nice setup here. Once again, let's go over this EU setup. just in case I was going too fast. So we had a market structure shift here off this light bulb. We came down, took it out. Why is this a market structure shift? Well, this candle right here rebalanced this imbalance here. So if we are, you know, bullish, how we, you know, was expecting, we should leave this alone and continue to keep going up and taking out, you know, buy side liquidity here and filling in these imbalances here. But what's the case of that? And that's not going to happen. We came down, took it out. The moment we take it out, it's going to cause a market structure shift. We come down to our 4-minute time frame. Once again, we had a 4-minute fair value gap. I'm entering here out this 4-minute fair value gap. Stop loss goes above here. You guys want to see stop loss goes right above here around this area. There's no reason for us to continue to keep pushing back up here if we are aka bearish with the high impact news. And obviously I was attacking sell side liquidity here. This is the London low. So we came down and took out London low here, which is very, very nice. So yeah, guys, very nice day for me. 50 pip banger, 1.5% you know, gain. I am up about 2% on my phase 2 account, so I need about 3% more, basically like another one shot, one kill setup, about 30 pips, and we'll pretty much be done with this phase 2, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something from me, and as always, make sure you guys subscribe. We are very, very close to 1,000 subscribers, and as always, trade safely, and I'll catch you guys in this video, man. Peace.